Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad from Android. Today I walk you through how to fix the unfortunate Android keyboard has a stopping error in Android phone. The step is very easy. You go to setting by drop menu and hit in the gear setting and go to apps. Before we go to apps, you need to restart your phone by hold your power off. Reboot your device or reboot your device. After that, if not working, go to apps, to manage apps. You need to show all apps by hitting the top right corner. You have three dots, click on it, and we're looking for keyboards apps. Just type that in the search field. Type key. We don't have here any app. If you found the keyboard here, click on it, and you need to clear the data in the top right, in the bottom right corner. Click clear the data, or go to storage and clear the data. And you need to go to permission for app and allow all permission, and you scroll down, clear the default. You need to click on it, and you need to allow the select app to work full screen mode. Click on it, and that will fix the problem. If not, you need to go to apps and go to the top right corner. You have three dotted, click on it, and you need to restart app preference. After that, restart your phone. That will fix the problem. And this video for today, hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.